Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. What am I saying? Good afternoon. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night from any part of the world you're watching this video from. My name is Oladuni Michael Damola. Talk finance. The show called YouTube channel called Mike Talk Finance. We talk finance, business, and investment. And obviously, I like making the clarification so it doesn't sound as if this stuff is confusing. Mike Talk Finance. My name is Daramola. But my middle name is Michael. So the YouTube channel is called Mike Talk Finance, Business and Investment. And basically that's what we've been doing. And it's just a channel where I want to help people to become wealthy. So with my with my expertise, with my knowledge and my experience. And from the teachings I've also gained from people that have result also, like myself. I want to impact the world. I am the world's sought after multi-billion profitable investor and currency trader. And I want to teach you how to become very, very successful in that line. And we've been talking so far on the S&P. That's actually the topic we started with. First of all, I encourage us on the importance of having a plan, and this will guide us, this will make your mind, or this will fix you in a streamlined manner that you will have a focus on whatever you want to achieve. And it could be investment goal and all of it. So we talk more on the investment side, the business side, and also the financial side. You want to become a brand that is known for this. And not just that, we want to make people become financial literate, which is very, very important. And this stuff, the School of Yosi does not teach you this. So you're not losing being here. So by the way, if this channel has been important to you, I want you to share, like, and subscribe in this channel. Learn, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Do this for me. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me tell you something. This channel is going to have 1 million subscribers. I tell you this truth. We are going to be having 100 million views. I tell you this truth. Forget about the numbers you're seeing now. By the way, if you're coming this time in the future towards this video, you might even see it's maybe 500,000 views. But for now, just do what you should do to support the channel. God will bless you. Thank you very much. Okay, so today, like I said, we've been talking about what is the S&P 500, the companies contains, the location it is, and what sectors makes up the S&P 500. And so I want to give you one platform where you can invest, or how to invest in the S&P 500 index, a platform that will guide you, or is a platform where you can invest. So this video is how to invest in the S&P 500 index fund. Remember, I talked about what an index is. So if you've not watched the video, please do well to watch the previous video, and you're gonna be blessed for just watching it. So without further ado, let's just go for the business we have for today. Okay, how to invest in the S&P 500 index. So I will shift my screen to my browser. So I show you the platform where I have an investment. I have 1.8 million pounds there. Yeah. Okay. So let's just go into it. Forget about the numbers. Let's just go into it. All right. No, keep me logged in. Yeah, keep me logged in. Okay. So the site is called Vanguard. We have different platforms. We have Prudential, IG, we have Agaves, Lansdowne. We have different platforms where you can invest. But I use Vanguard. I believe they're low. Their fees very, 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 very low. So for me, that's good. I find a way to minimize those little things that are taken away from my investment, because over time they become millions and of course billions. So like I said, this is my platform, and to go to this website, if you're in the UK, by the way, I stay in the United Kingdom. So if you're in US, they have Vanguard for the United States. If you're in the UK, they have Vanguard for the UK. So obviously I'm the UK, so vanguardinvestors.co.uk. Please be very careful. So you are very careful. It's possible somebody out there, a fraudster out there, must have cloned the website. So don't invest with that people or the guys that are wrong. So look at the website very well and know what you are actually investing in. But it must be vanguardinvestors.co.uk. Anything from that, you should make sure you're very, very sure with it before you commit your resources there. So once you go there, the platform is just simple. So you log in. That's what you need to do. Once you log in, I've logged in though, so this is just a guide. I'm trying to make this video very, very short. So just go there, you log in. Let me get my pen. I believe it's quite interesting when you use your pen. So you log in, and this is where you log in. I've actually logged in here. So all I can do now is to log out. So you log in here, all right? And second thing to note, it's why you should invest with them. They have over 40 years of experience. Of course, the founder, Jack Bogle, is dead. He's a very wonderful man. I think he died 2019 or early 2020, guys, something like that. But he's dead now. But the structure of the business is still in continuity. That's the importance of creating good structure for your business. So 40 years of experience, four simple principles. Let's just look at it if it's necessary. So let's just know what their principle is. So, for some people say investing is complicated. We don't think it has to be complicated. So, this is their first simple principle. Think about the goals, stay balanced, and keep costs low, which is very important. I talked about very, very important. They know how to keep your costs low. They are very, very good at keeping costs low. They are very, very good at that. So, it's one of the reasons why I love those guys. They are also be disciplined. Sometimes our emotions can lead us to make simple mistake when investing. If you watch the previous video I was talking about, I said if you're investing in personal companies, which was why I give the sectors in which the S&P 500 index is in it, the businesses or the sectors that comprises the S&P 500. And I said you could be very, very good at making personal investment, which is why I explained them and I give seasonal kind of business that do well in this period or not do bad in that period. I explained that stuff there, so you should go watch it. But sometimes we may not be disciplined to make that kind of decision, so we end up making the wrong investment. This is why S&P 500 index or Vanguard is helping us to solve that kind of problem. Okay, so basically that's what they stand for, and I believe it's something very good that we should all look into. I'm not giving you an investment advice. I'm just making you to see the reasons why you should invest or not to invest. Okay, that's for disclosure, by the way. So what we offer, our full list of funds, you can see our full list of funds, but I don't have time to really go into that. But I'll explain in detail some aspect that I feel is very important. So the Vanguard ISA is called Investment Savings Account. So you need an ISA. You need to open the Vanguard ISA. It's from this ISA that you can actually invest. So once you open an account, you fund the account, you transfer the funds to the investment ISA, then you pick the investment that you want to invest. I'm going to show you that shortly. So junior ISA, now Vanguard ISA is for age above 18. If I'm not mistaken, you're above 18. So if you're not up to 18, your parent can actually open for you a Vanguard Junior ISA. So once you get to 18 years old, it automatically becomes a Vanguard ISA, which is above 18 years old. So general account, Vanguard pension account, looking for plans toward retirement. This is a very wonderful opportunity you should look into. ESG funds and those people that are environmental conscious, weather conscious, and ESG. So those are the funds you're looking at. Their fees are actually very low, like I said, so it's very, very wonderful. So this is my account, and then you can actually have an overview of your investment that you can see here. It's very, very simple stuff. So if you want to also learn about it, you can actually come here to learn about it. I've given us the performance of the S&P 500, an average of 8 to 10% annually. Sometimes it goes to 20, 21% and like that. And few times it has been negative. So it's very wonderful, and you should look into that if you will. All right. Okay, so let's go back to the home page and let's see what we have there. Okay, so in the home page, Yeah, this is the home page. So now you can look at my account. You can look at investment, for instance. Now let's go into that so you can see investment. So these are the holdings that I have. These are the holdings that I have. Of course, the S&P 500 actually made a dip not long ago, but definitely things it's just the beginning of the year, so it will only get better. So portfolio options now. Now you can see invest, you can see sell if you want to sell for some funds. So invest. Now say continue, you want to put your cash into here. This is where you actually go to put your cash. But let's just click on continue. I'm just giving you what is important, what is necessary, so I don't get you bored. So I can make this video as fast as possible. So this is the amount you want to put, whatever amount you want to put, £400, £40,000, £4 million, £4 billion. Yeah, £4 million, whatever you want to put, which is actually not possible now. So let's just go to add more investment because you have a minimum of 20,000 annually for this particular investment function for legal reasons and law issues with the UK. That's why. So we have blended funds. A blended fund, a blended fund is a fund that combines both equity and fixed income. It combines both equity and fixed income. Watch my video if you don't know what's equity and fixed income. But if you still don't know it, just ask a question. I can create a video for that purpose, but let me not waste your time. Equity, summary, shares, fixed income, bond. That's where I'll stop for now. Okay, so equity, this is blended fund, so it's a combination of both equity and bonds. Then equity is a combination of just equity, which is stock shares. Then fixed income is a combination of just bond. That is purely what it is all about, right? So let's tick into, let's click the box and let's see the types we have. So life strategy equity funds. So 20% is equity in this fund. 20% is equity, definitely 80% is actually bond. Then let's look at to see the performance so far. I won't click on this for all of it. So let's click on the performance. By the way, let me show you what I did. I actually clicked here. This is where I actually clicked this. Right, that's where I clicked. So once you click on it, it will give you a PDF, a soft copy version of the performance of the investment, an idea of that investment, what it is all about. And this is the performance of this investment so far. It was invented in 2015. It has given 1.1%, 10.4%, 4.4% minus 1.1, 9.9, 7.5%, which is in line with what I said. But this is a combination of both bond and equity. Remember, equity do far better than bond, but bond is less riskier than equity. So you have to understand that the performance cannot be compared to complete equity. You understand me? So if you're looking at your age, for instance, you're almost approaching retirement, you wouldn't want to be taking that kind of risks. You understand? You wouldn't want to be taking that kind of risk. So you want to look at something that has low risks that can still give you a decent return on investment, which is why you'll be looking at the mixed funds. Of course, if you're a youth, you can also decide I don't like taking risks. Some people are risks off, some people are risks on. When I mean risks on is that they want to take risks. When I mean risks off, they don't like taking risks. So some people can be like that. So this will guide you to know if you're interested in that kind of investment based on the performance of this portfolio, right? Okay. So let's continue. So lifestyle strategy. Of course, this will be better than this because 40% equity, like that, like that, like that. Okay. So retirement target funds. So if you're looking at retirement, also you should look into this. Um, you can also click to see the performance of this investment so far. Okay. Let's go to other stuff. Okay. So now this is equity fund. So FTSE, Financial Times, these are companies in the UK, right? These are companies we have in the UK. The FTSE for Developed UK, You can click on to see the performance of these funds. You understand me? I may not be able to give you exactly what it is, but when you click on this, it can give you the description of the fund and the performance so far. So let's just look at one of these, because this is basically equity, which is 100% equity. So this is the performance so far. So you can see it's actually doing better than the fixed the blended fund, 11.2.912 minus 10.5. Of course, the risk is higher. 27.1, 2.6, of course. So this is okay. Let me take this out so I don't get the. All right. Okay, guys. So let's look at global ESG funds, basically on equity. All right. This is for the UK. This is basically for the UK. Then we have Asia, we have the United States of America. So let's look at the US equity index fund. Let's look at the S&P 500 index, which is the US equity. This. Okay. So let's just look at it. I just hope this video is not taking much time. And I suppose it can be very boring, yes, but it doesn't take an hour. You make this decision and you go do stuff that's important to you. Okay. All right. So this is for this investment, and let's look at how the investment has performed so far. You can see this investment has been here for a very long period of time. It's just a period of 10 years they are just giving us. A period of 10 years information, but it has been here for years. Okay, so 2011 they gave us 1 point. So obviously we have issues with the economy at that time, but it's some investment gave negative, but this gave 1.2%. 2002 this gave 10.7. 2013 this gave 30.3. That's phenomenal. 2014 this gave 19%. 2015 this gave 5.9. 2016 33.9, like that. 2019 25.4. 2020 give 16.6. So this is something that we should actually look into if you're interested in the fund index. So it's a choice for you to make. I just do my best to just make you understand why I invest here, why I don't invest here. Obviously, my fund is actually in the US equity index fund. That's the S&P 500. So I will just stop here for this video. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate. So I don't keep you by going into details of things that may get you bored. But for now, I'll stop here. If you have any question, please let me know by commenting and I'll respond as fast as possible. So let's just round up this video. So you'll be able to understand how to invest here, the place to go, remember the site, types of investment that it is, the maximum amount you can invest in, and also the performance of these investments. Thank you very much, guys, and please like, share, subscribe if this video is important and has blessed you. Okay, bye for now. See you next week.